So some of my personal rules to fabricating, I would say cut all of your pieces first. Get everything that you need for whatever project you're using. Cut all your pieces first. Then once you cut all your pieces up, as you get ready to use them, clean them up. Clean the burrs and stuff off the ends of them. Anything that can cut your hand. Different things like that. Clean that stuff off of there, any imperfections. Then you want to fit it. You want to fit it up. You want to start fitting it. And as you start fitting it, you tack it together first. And then once you get everything squared up, you get everything like you want it and it's good, then you start welding parts of it off to make sure that it holds its squareness. So that way you can start fitting the rest of your pieces. Then you want to fit all of your pieces in there. Then once you finish fitting all your pieces on, you make sure everything is in its working form. It's working, everything is good, and then you weld it out. Hold on,